Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy new update for Instagram users on PC. We're going to show you how to enable mentions in your bio notifications from everyone. So, let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to customize your notification settings. Next, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon resembles 3 horizontal lines, and clicking on it will give you access to a menu where you can manage various account features. From this menu, choose the Settings option. Here, you'll find all the settings related to your account. Go ahead and click on Notifications to proceed to the next step. Now you will see various notification settings available for your account. To specifically manage mentions in bio notifications, click on Push Notifications. This section allows you to customize how you receive alerts for different activities on Instagram. Lastly, under the Mentions in Bio category, you'll want to choose From Everyone. By selecting this option, you will ensure that you receive notifications whenever anyone mentions you in their bio, enhancing your engagement and keeping you connected with your followers. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled mentions in bio notifications from everyone on Instagram. This simple tweak will help you stay updated on important interactions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.